Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in the world of sub $100 earbuds, there is tons of choice. Well, in today's video we are checking out what Edifier have to offer with their W240TN, and with dual dynamic drivers, Bluetooth 5.3 and 25 hours of battery life, are these the new earbuds to beat? Well, let's take a look. And as always, we have the unboxing. And in all honesty guys, if you've ever owned a pair of wireless earbuds, you know exactly what you're getting yourself in for. You have some paperwork, a USB-C to USB-A cable, some spare ear tips ranging from extra small to large, then the W240TN, which to simplify for this video, I'll be calling the 240s moving forward. The design of the case and earbuds have a very nice matte design to them with a pretty futuristic sleek design. The case has the USB-C port and Bluetooth pairing button on the back. The front has LEDs for pairing and charging, which is a simple white colour, so very stealthy in their design. The 240s are available in white and also this gunmetal colour that I have here. The design is also inspired by the shape of a piston head. Now the design overall looks very nice, and with this grey and piano black finish they look pretty sleek to me. Now the angular design is also something not really seen with most sleeker earbuds, but I do like having something to grip onto when I'm taking them in and out of my ears. Some earbuds that are plastic and smooth tend to be a little bit slippery over time, especially if you're using them for working out purposes. However, with the harsher edge that you have on these, you don't necessarily have that problem. But don't worry, the part that actually goes in or near the ear is smooth, so it won't be uncomfortable for longer listening sessions. And each earbud has the controls in the centre of that piston shape. So overall, I'm a fan of the design. It's something new, fresh, and they look pretty good. They're also IP55 rated, meaning that they are water resistant and sweat proof, but again, nothing crazy when it comes to water or dust, so you may need to be a little bit more careful compared to maybe some sport earbuds that you may already have. They also fit really nicely into the ear and don't stick out as much as I thought they would do with that angular design. The fit is good for longer listening sessions or for the odd workout here and there, maybe not the most intense workouts, but they should be good for a quick run if needed. So with a nice look and feel overall, how's the sound quality? Well, the 240s come with dual dynamic drivers with 6mm and 10mm drivers in each earbud. And compared to single drivers, they do a great job at picking up on every detail in a song or a voice that you may be listening to, even at those higher or even max volumes. You don't get any blown out sounds or really any major distortion, even at those higher ends. The bass is there but not overpowering, and the mids and highs sound crisp, again without losing out on quality. The hybrid ANC also does a great job of blocking out those background noises, whether it's the hum of an AC unit, traffic, whatever it may be. It does a really good job at getting rid of mainly the sort of low end side of things. If you do have something more high end or maybe more higher pitch within your apartment for example, that may leak through every now and then, but overall the ANC does a really good job. As always, I tried the 240s with a ton of different music types, from heavy metal, chilled beats, acoustic, and for voices a ton of podcasts. That along with the Bluetooth 5.3 means a better connection in general with less lag for longer listening sessions. If you're watching a video with the 240s, there's little to no lag from what you're hearing to what you're seeing on the screen. And this can also be improved by turning on the dedicated gaming mode within the application on your phone. So with some great features, great sound, what's the overall battery life going to be like on the 240s? Well, you get just under 9 hours on a full charge from the earbuds and a further 17 hours in the case. So you're getting around 25 hours of battery life, which I think is plenty. You'll easily be able to use them for pretty much an hour every day for maybe commuting to and from work, or if you are going on a longer journey like a plane ride for example, then again no problems at all. And then lastly you have the Edifier Connect app. Here you can customize your call settings, EQ levels, ANC mode and more. However, the app is maybe a little bit basic compared to maybe what else is out there. And that's going to do it guys on this video on the Edifier W240TN wireless earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions about these earbuds or anything else on the channel, let me know in the comments section down below. Also, while you're down there, if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.